Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, all of my audiences. Tonight, in this meantime, I am going to talk something about the very introducing part of anybody. And this introducing part offered is totally offered at the Bhaiva board by the members of the Bhaiva board, and for doing good or for getting the very expected job, you have to know the very ideal of identifying yourself. So this video is important for all the students, all the job seekers of Bangladesh, not Bangladesh. It is for all students of any part of the world actually. And when you will be totally asked for introducing yourself, you have to follow the rules and regulation of speaking about yourself like me. And for introducing yourself, you have to say at the very first time, you have to offer them the very salam and your love and yourself and about yourself. Okay. Now I am going to start my introducing part. Okay. Listen to me. So concentrate and you have to be totally attentive to my speech. Okay. And you have to note down the very things what I am going to mention you for your introduction talk. Okay, now I am going to start myself. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. This is Muhammad Asaduzzaman Masundillah with you from Sadullapur Gaibandha, and I am the son of Muhammad Abdul Rahman and Muhammad Amjora Begum. I have completed my BA and MA from a reputed university named Begum Rokeya University, and the very subject of mine was English. Besides, I am expert at speaking English fluently, and I have the capability for putting up with any hard work. This is my expected determination to concentrate on my any work, anything. Okay, and I am totally expert at the very computer function. That means I am computer-based person, and these are all about me. Thanks to all of you for asking me this type of question. That means introducing part of mine.